Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to create Blue Sky account. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open Play Store or App Store, whatever you are using. Then you should search for Blue Sky just right here. Then once you search for it, you should now go and download the application. But here in my case, I have downloaded it already, so I'm gonna open it for the first time in front of you right now. It will show me this page. You just have to wait till it loads, then click on create account. Then here, as you can see, it will ask you for some information like your email, date of birth, password, etc. So here in my case, I will choose this option here, the first option, Blue Sky Social. Then I'm gonna enter my email. Then after you finish filling in all these information, you should now click on next. Once you click on next, it will show you here this page. Now you will have to input your user handle. This is the username that will be displayed to other users. So here in my case, I will name it Zane Zone, for example. And you should make sure that you have only letters, numbers, and hyphens, and at least 3 characters. Once you finish, click on next. Then here, as you can see, it will just show you a simple challenge just to prove that you are not a robot. Just click on I'm a human. Here it's asking me to select the images matching in the toy. So this is an image of train. So let me choose things similar. Then click on next. Then as you can see, it's verified. You should now give your profile a face. Just click on this pencil icon, then click on allow, and you should now download anything from your mobile data. I'm just gonna put this funny photo, and once you finish, you should click on this icon on the top right corner, then click on continue, and here it will ask you what are your interests. Let's say that I'm interested in animals, books, food, software, pets, photography, sports, etc. Then click on continue, and now here, as you can see, it will show you this page. You are ready to go. Then click on let's go, and that is it. Here you are, you have your own account on Blue Sky. You can now use it. It's just like Twitter and other social media websites. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.